Hey everyone, welcome back. In the next few minutes, we'll explore Linux's distro families, its rich history, and show you the single command that instantly tells you which distribution you're running. Understanding which Linux distribution you have is crucial because each family uses different package managers, documentation, and community support. It saves time when you search for tutorials or install software, and it helps you choose the right tools for your workflow. The Linux ecosystem is organized into several families. Debian-based distros such as Ubuntu share the .deb package format. Red Hat-based like Fedora use .rpm, and Arch-based systems like Manjaro follow a rolling release model. Each family inherits core libraries and init systems, which defines its behavior. Now let's see the command in action. Open your terminal and type lsb_release-a. This prints the distributor ID, description, release number, and codename, giving you a clear picture of exactly which Linux distribution you are on. The lsb_release utility is part of the LSB core package on many distros, so make sure it's installed first. On minimal installations, it might be missing. In that case, you can read /etc/os release or /etc/lsb release directly. Avoid relying on older commands like uname, which only reports kernel information, not the distribution name. To recap, we covered Linux's origins, the main distro families, and a quick way to identify your system with lsb_release. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more practical Linux tutorials.